In order to provide the most organic hearing experience, you really have to understand the normal hearing experience. So if you are normal hearing, that's pretty easy to understand. I think about it in terms of my day. I get up and I might hear the TV or listen to some news in the background. I don't have any problem hearing it. I really don't think about my hearing. It's completely natural, it just happens, it's transparent, and thus it's organic. And to provide the most organic experience in a hearing aid, we as a company have to completely understand the normal hearing ear. We have to understand how the normal ear processes sound, how it works. We have to learn and know about the normal hearing experience. How does a normal hearing person hear someone coming up behind them? How does a normal hearing person hear in lots of background noise? When you understand those things, you can develop signal processing that makes hearing through a hearing aid more organic. That has been our philosophy since the beginning of ReSound. We've always had this organic hearing philosophy that we were going to provide the best hearing solution we could, mimicking natural hearing processes. With every new product that we introduced, we pushed the limits of technology again and again. We were the company that introduced wide dynamic range compression. Wide dynamic range compression changed our industry. There isn't a hearing aid out there today that doesn't have wide dynamic range compression. And it was ReSound that brought you that. And we brought you that because it provided an organic hearing experience. The ReSound Air hearing aid was a game changer, and it was a game changer because it was more natural. We took away the occlusion of having a completely plugged up ear. We had an open ear, no feedback, great sound quality, and again, we changed the game. Every single company ultimately delivered these kinds of open products. They're the most popular products on the market today. We did it because of our philosophy. Because of our organic hearing philosophy, we wanted to provide that occlusion-free hearing aid. In 2008, we defied the industry with asymmetric directionality. Everybody before 2008 is using two directional microphones to point in different directions to hear in noise. That's not organic. Nobody hears in a beam just in front of them or just to their left or just to the right. People hear everything around them. That's what's natural, that's what's normal. So with asymmetric directionality, we gave the opportunity to hear in noise while still hearing around. And that's something that we continue to develop today. It is a much better hearing and noise experience. You hear really well in noise, but you can also hear who's coming up behind you. ReSound One is the next evolution in organic hearing. It includes a microphone and receiver in-ear option, or what we call MRI. MRI benefits hearing aid users in a way most hearing aids don't, because the microphone inside the ear collects sound naturally. It takes advantage of the important role our ear plays for better sound localization and spatial perception. After all, we hear with our own ears, and they are as individual as our fingerprints. ReSound One continues our legacy of organic hearing solutions and will guide us into the future.